See, market is cross over here at resistance level R2, so I have taken position at call option 17,500 at 0 hero call. This is the live trade is going 17,500. See here, first one that currently it was running at, oh god, okay, it was running at 8 rupees. Okay, I hope market is, I hope market will go from upside from here. 100 point upside it was given, means my position will completely turn into green. Okay, see, it was a little bit up, and see, my position will turn into green. Okay, see this, like this, because I have taken 500 quantity. This is quantity at 500. I have taken entry at 9 rupees. Now it was at 10 rupees. That means when profit is increasing, means our prediction is correct. When profits is like going down red color, means our prediction is wrong. Then you need to cut losses in the loss red color. See, I have cut my loss in 850 rupees, but my position is going in profits, so I'm holding in profits, not in loss. Okay, this is the strategy. That's it. Profits means hold a long time, loss means exit very soon. That's it. Okay, let it run. Let's watch it. This is the bullish flag pattern.